Hey y'all, Josh here. Just wanted to say hi and give an update on the channel. Out hiking Raven Rock State Park, headed down to Lanier Falls at the moment. It's a chilly January morning. If you're ever out this way in North Carolina, I would highly suggest coming out and giving it a go. It's beautiful all year round, but anyways, back to the channel. YouTube is wanting me to make a video, so I figured it's time to revive the channel and get things going again. Haven't made a video since the Battleyak. She is still floating, and I've been getting requests for updates on that, so I'm going to work on that. So yeah, I'll be doing an update on the Battleyak and trying to get a business going off, get a business off the ground, side hustle, trunks, chests, charcuterie boards, cutting boards, but everybody does standard run-of-the-mill cutting boards. I don't have time or equipment for a mass production kind of thing. I want to do like the one-off, special, one-of-a-kind pieces. So, but get the channel back up and videos going again. Then, anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to answer them. If you got any ideas, stuff you'd like to see, please comment. I am absolutely open to ideas. I'm not a pro by any means. A little bit better than your average DIYer / amateur. But like I said, this is just going to be a side hustle, and because honestly, the therapeutic value. A lot's happened in the last few years. Got out of the military, started fresh, and so it's time to get things revived. And what you're hearing right now is Lanier Falls. So again, any questions, comments, constructive criticism, anything like that, as long as it's not politics, then I'll talk to you soon. Otherwise, have a great day, be safe, and take care of each other.